So I had to do a little work on the inside of the barn here, Bison Creek Ranch. There were a couple posts that were broken, had to replace them. In order to do so, I had to make some custom cuts. I've got a little bracket cut, some chainsaw work. Also had to get the whole side of this post so that the door would close. Not bad. This post is larger than the last one that was here, and I tried to reuse the rest of the parts, so I had to make it work. But yeah, nice, sturdy. I had to do this one over here as well. Didn't need quite as much work to it. Kinda could have done that cut a little better, my bad. But again, it works. The last one was broken. This one looks much better.